Today we're going to do analysis on Amazon. Amazon has very interesting trend options here. You can see that this support here, which I'm labeling old support, was a pretty solid support. We had 1, 2, 3 solid touches, and then it breached. And it breached that support substantially, several days in a row, and on stronger than average volume. So this support line here is no longer. That's over. Amazon has not had the crazy rocket ship rise that some other companies like Tesla have had. But now I see a new support possibly forming, and I'm seeing this not just with Amazon, but with other stocks, and also the broad general market with the indexes are also doing this, creating this possible new support where we have a touch here, we have a touch here, and we might hit this support. Now, if we do hit support here, then if it bounces and we have 2 or 3 days of confirmation on good solid volume of it bouncing off this, it's definitely a buy point. On the other hand, it's possible that it might bounce and then break through. If that happens, I don't see a support in sight. We just had a really unsustainable rise way back in March, like a lot of stocks did, like the general market did. And of course that was due to the pandemic. Now we're back to approaching normalcy in the market. And that's why you're seeing a lot of stocks starting to move sideways and the major indexes starting to move sideways. It doesn't mean they're not going to continue an uptrend. And it doesn't mean it's not a good time to invest. It just means that we're probably going to start seeing more reasonable action in the stock market unless we have a crash. I don't see that happening, but hey, I'm not a fortune teller. I'm just reading the chart. And right now the chart is telling me that this area of support is the next area that I'm going to be watching like a hawk. And I think a lot of people are going to be watching this area right in here to see exactly what's going to happen. If it bounces and we have 2 or 3 days of confirmation, I'm definitely going to put money in it. If it bounces through, I'm not going to do anything. All right, let's watch and see what happens over the next few days.